Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. First thing we do at a class is to make sure people have a good handle on the clutch and throttle, otherwise known as the friction zone, and the rear brake. We practice the slow race. What you want to do is be able to ride the motorcycle at about a quick walking pace without putting your feet down, and of course without dropping the bike. It should look exactly like this. If you're in that sweet spot of the friction zone, you should be able to rev the motor without picking up speed. This isn't brain surgery. You've got to learn to use that friction zone before anything else. Most people, it takes them about 10 or 15 minutes to get the hang of this. And keep in mind also, everybody knows where the friction zone is, because if you take off from a dead stop, you're going past the friction zone. All I'm asking here is to stay in that friction zone when you're practicing low speed maneuvers. And this is the first thing you'll see on my Ride Like a Pro video, one of the tips we give you, how to learn to use that friction zone. Until next week.